According to Reuters, Toyota has reached a settlement in a class action lawsuit involving owners of various Toyota trucks with severe frame rust. The settlement is for $3.4 billion and will pay for inspecting and replacing frames on affected trucks. It also allows Toyota to avoid admitting any wrongdoing. In total, this settlement could include $1.5 million 2005 to 2010 Toyota Tacomas, 2005 to 2008 Sequoias, and 2007 to 2008 Tundras. Reuters reports that vehicles are eligible up to 12 years to the day that they were sold. The Wall Street Journal reports that Toyota will reach out to owners via mail, notices to publications, and internet methods. This is far from the first time Toyota has dealt with troubles rust on its pickup trucks. The company fixed many frames and even expanded its rust perforation warranty on 1995 to 2000 Toyota Tacomas. That warranty covered over 800,000 trucks. Toyota also had to issue a recall for 2001 to 2003 Tundras for frame rust. That latter recall also led to a payout of $25 million to Toyota from Dana, the company that supplied the frames. 2 years ago, Tacomas from 2005 to 2011 were also recalled for leaf springs that could rust and break.